Hey, Jeff Kelderman, Kelderman Air Suspensions coming at you. We're going over today is a 2018 Dodge 2500 diesel. What we did here starts with our Bravo Series bumper. And again, playing off the highlights of the black and the white, we did the black center section. Since we do three-piece bumpers, it's real easy for us to do the color combinations. Threw in some Midnight Series rigids in the wings and also in the center sections. And then we did our mesh white, and then we also painted the sensors white. So, you know, kind of the Oreo cookie look, whatever you want to call it, but it looks really cool on this truck. So for the suspension, we did the Kelderman 5 to 6 inch kit with the Fox shocks. We're running the Airlift 3H management system on this truck. We're running 37-inch TOYO open countries on fuel wheels. The rims are 20-inch. We got some new badges we just are having made now by Billet badges, the Kelderman logo. Kind of tops it off, gives it more unique look, and then we take off the Ram and the Cummins logos. Kind of more of a stealth look. Coming back here to the rear, these have a factory 4-link, which is pretty cool. So it makes it pretty easy for us to put longer adjustable trailing arms in here. We use a little bit bigger bag than the Dodge trucks use on the factory air ride, so our air ride actually hauls more without making the truck sag, so that works pretty slick. And then you can see the sensor for the air management system right here. Coming around to the rear, we got a MAGNAFLOW dual tip exhaust on this one, and then we matched up the rear bumper to match the front, where we did the black in the middle, whites on the side. And we did this, did the sensors on this one, so you didn't really notice them stick out. But yeah, it's a great truck. It's going to Kunes Country up in Wisconsin. It's going to be available for purchase. You can check them out on their website, and also see this truck at our Instagram page at Kelderman Trucks, or on Facebook on Kelderman Air Suspensions. So kind of fun to get a Dodge in here. We've been doing so many Fords, so something a little bit different flavor, and the black and white turned out really cool.